Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here, guys. I broke through procrastination. All right, broke this board to get to financial freedom. So I want to show you how to do the same thing following my recipe for full-time freedom or financial freedom. Imagine yourself being financially free 1, 3, 5 years from now. Guys, it's possible. Wherever you are right now, and you've got to look over beyond to where you want to be. You got to be there before you get there. So if you can pay yourself $1 a day, are you paying yourself every day now? No, if not, why not? If you can pay yourself $1 a day and invite at least one other person every single day to do the same, and put these systems together, money-making systems together, you're going to see financial freedom in a short period. So imagine yourself financially free 1, 3, 5 years from now. Let's connect. My number 618-223-6006. Habits are stronger than desires. You see, a lot of people want to be free, but you got to set some new habits to get there. So follow my recipe. Let's have some fun. Keep it super simple and get you living your best life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My number 618-223-6006. Go to my website, onewithoutlimits.weebly.com. Have yourself a fantastic day. God's best.